morning, everybody. Check that out. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, and I get to pick through all that pile of boulders. And I get to work with Dan the Clam again. I love what I get to do for a living. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Because of you, well, our clients and our viewers and our team and our family and friends and all our supporters, because of you, we really do have a career we love. It's a little after 7 in the morning today, and I was up before 5, before my alarm went off. Just excited to get my day going. Today we're starting project number 11. We're gonna be doing a medium pondless waterfall made out of this superior stone in their backyard. And we're also gonna plant some mature trees to give them some privacy. And then in the front yard, we're gonna do a little patio, a little retaining wall, and a spillway bowl combo water feature. So I'm really excited. They're gonna do 3 spillway bowls. Well, it's 2 spillway bowls into the bottom overflowing basin bowl. And that's gonna flow into their big basin. That has color changing lights, so I'm really excited. We got a lot of fun stuff ahead. If you are new to the channel, thank you for joining us. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, throw down a comment, hit that like button for us, and make sure to follow us. Turn on that notification bell. You know why? Because we do a new episode every Thursday night, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, and we just are showing the world that water features are fun. This time it's gonna be starting in Lake Elmo. We'll show you when we get there. For now, let's catch Dan picking out boulders, and he is the man. This is our medium pondless package, so it's a 4,000 to 8,000 gallon an hour pump. Has 5 underwater lights. It's minimum of 15 feet long. So we usually do a straight line, and then when we start moving our twists and stuff in there, it ends up being closer to like 18, 20 feet in total stream that you get. So when we're doing our line and our measurements for you, we're doing a straight linear foot. Our goal is to make sure that this twists and turns so it doesn't feel very. Basin figured out as what we need. I love these aqua blocks because we don't have to dig a humongous hole to get all the water capacity we need to make our medium pondless waterfall. Mark's doing our maintenance to make sure this guy's running top notch. Seth is learning. Oh, don't cut your hand. Trying to show off. Oh! He does it. He lands it in his hand. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll give you a full battery later when we start doing rocks. All right, that's gonna do it for the end of day 1, and I gotta say, what a fantastic day 1. We've got ourselves our basin in, our plumbing, our pump in, our top-off line is in. We've got the basin gravelled in. We've got our first waterfall set. We've got some of our building blocks set in the backside to help us build up our height so that we can have this height change. And we're just gonna keep plugging away. Cool thing today is since it's new construction, you can kind of get lucky and get some soil here and there. And it was really nice to have a pile of soil on site to be able to use.
Yep. What was something these guys are gonna haul out, and instead they just got it hauled right over here.
That's awesome.
Win-win. True win-win right there.
All right, it's the start of day 2, and I'm feeling good to go. Gosh, I didn't even set up a rhyme there, I'm sorry. It's the start of day 2 here on project number 11. Good morning, Brad. Good morning, gents.
Good morning.
Morning.
Hello.
Hello.
Cheerio.
Cheerio. Looks like I got our guy Seth rocking the MT85. All right, so now that the guys have gotten dirt piled up here, they've gotten the maintenance ready, we're gonna start moving that machine in and leveling this dirt out, leveling it back, compacting it by driving on it, folding our liner back and deciding where we're gonna be putting our next frame rocks and our next waterfall and how high that'll be. Because we've got a I wanna at least have 3 cool drops, and I wanna spread the water out over a wider drop in the middle so that it can really spread out, and there's a lot to look at. So it's falling, you know, things like that. Smiley face on your sweat marks.
Someone's always happy when they sweat a smiley face.
It could be a, now it's turning into a, oh, Kool-Aid man. Oh yeah. So that's gonna do it for the end of day 2. What an awesome day. We pretty much got our medium pondless waterfall figured out. Now we got detailed stuff to do. We are all prepping for rain tomorrow, so we're breaking down the tent, we're breaking everything down, and we're getting ready to cover it all. So if it does rain tomorrow, it won't delay us too bad, and we'll be able to get right back to it when it's up. And we're just doing our thing. Yeah. Hey, what up everyone? I am your friendly neighborhood Pond King. This is the start of day 3. It shouldn't really even count as day 3 because we have storms coming. So we have a skeleton crew just doing what we can to get the work done. The goal of the day is just to make some forward progress on this water feature and then make ourselves ready so that when Thursday hits, we can hit the ground running, which tomorrow is Thursday. All right, so we got some good stuff done. We're making forward progress. We got where we're gonna put our diffuser, and it's gonna be sweet because we're gonna actually have water coming from behind the waterfall this time. So it's gonna extend that about an extra foot and a half, and then it'll come twisting through this. I'm really excited for the way this is looking. I can't wait to turn this one on. But we're dealing with weather, so we're getting ourselves ready. You know, this is how we do it when rain's coming. We'll put all our stuff into one little spot and then cover it up, and then, yeah.
Hi, I'm Nick the Pond King, and this is the end of day 3. Well, we might want to call it day 2.5, I don't know. Hey, things are going well.
So we got tons of perennials, a cool little Uncle Fogey pine, not very mature yet. That's awesome because it wasn't too expensive, and we get to get everything I want out of that pine. We got a sweet wheelbarrow, brand new. We've got our pine trees. They just came in this morning. They're looking really good. Brad's laying down the last one now, and then we're gonna put our tarp over it carefully and drive back. Check those out. All right, update time. We've got ourselves a bunch of plants, like really excited. We've got perennials all around the Pondless Waterfall. We've got ourselves these awesome Black Hills spruce 7-footers. They just came in today. I'm pumped because it just lined up for good timing for us. Then we've got a ton of perennials to go around this Pondless Waterfall. After that, we come in with our mulch. Hopefully they'll have that in stock when we need it. And we're just gonna do what we do, which is have fun and make this look beautiful. All right, so we did a little planting area here to give them some privacy from their neighbors, so this can grow up and kind of fill in the space nicely. I don't know what Parker's up to right now, but there's Parker trying to help. Carrying the big wheelbarrow. You don't even need the small one anymore.
I
I don't know, it looks like you got it pretty good. He got you too? Uh-oh.
I would never get you.
Uh-oh.
I can't get you?
Hey, 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 hey. You're the adult here, Justin. Hey, you just about got it. Oh, man. Don't get wet. Let's check out the end of part 1, and let's finish part 1 by saying, check this out.
Sponsored by Pond King Water Gardens. Living works of art, 1 yard at a time.